Guys, in this video, I will show you a trading platform that has zero configuration, automated AI crypto trading bot. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of DipSway. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a cutting-edge platform that provides us with AI-driven crypto trading bots that is designed to automate every step of cryptocurrency trading. So it seamlessly connects to 12 major centralized exchanges, which also includes Binance. So DipSway leverages in-house AI and algorithmic technology to handle everything from asset selection to executing the trades that you are doing. So its mission is to democratize access to institutional grade trading tools, and this one also empowers retail traders with advanced automation for effortless data management and decision making. So it offers a true hands-free experience. So it ensures a quick and secure setup, and it connects to a wallet that takes just 2 minutes using a secure API connection with the IP restriction. And guys, importantly, the platform mandates the withdrawal permissions, which also ensures user funds stay secure in their own wallet. So with comprehensive tutorials also for all supported exchanges are readily available in the Learn section right here. So if you hover your mouse over the Learn, you could click on AI crypto trading and it will take you here. All right, so there's a lot of information that you could gather there that would be very, very helpful as well for you to know more about the DipSway process. Now guys, once it is configured, DipSway bots take control, and it requires the users to only select the trading assets and allocate the buying power. So utilizing a proprietary strategy that is powered by 121 indicators, 17 pattern detectors, and a super advanced AI, the bot seamlessly operates on behalf of the user. And guys, this is very interesting because DipSway is also planning to launch an autopilot feature in February of 2025, which dynamically selects top performing assets, and it optimizes the settings based on the real-time market conditions, which delivers a fully adaptive trading experience. So with a proven track record spanning 2 to 3 years already, DipSway focuses on a long-term profitability rather than just the quick wins that we could get. So performance data is transparently displayed on the platform along with the leaderboards that is showcasing the successful traders. Now, to reward the loyalty, guys, DipSway also offers the substantial discounts, including a 50% off on the annual plans during their trials. Now, looking ahead, DipSway will expand its offering with AI-powered futures bots and enhanced DCA and grid strategies, cementing its position as a true leader in automated crypto trading. So guys, I would super strongly suggest that you also do your own research. Make sure to check out their website. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions on this. And of course, guys, you could hover your mouse over all the tabs right here. Okay, there are a lot of different information that you could gather that would really help you out in knowing more about this DipSway project and what it can do for you to increase your profitability and the consistency of your trades. Guys, I hope you are getting the most profit to start off 2025. We are still in the start of the bull run. There are still many money generating ways that we could find in cryptocurrency, and I hope that if you're new to the channel, you would be able to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.